everybody. I wanted to show you something really cool that could be very helpful for the rest of our online learning. Usually I have calculators and graphing calculators for you guys to use. Well, if you don't have one at home, then you're kind of out of luck, right? Well, Texas Instruments is actually allowing both teachers and students to have 6 months free of a graphing calculator. Mr. Reitmeyer actually found this, which is awesome. So I wanted to let you guys know about it in case this is something you're interested in. For my stats students, you are going to have a graphing calculator for these next few weeks. So please make sure if you don't already have a physical graphing calculator, you do download this. For my Algebra 2 and Algebra 1 students, it's kind of up to you. It's optional for you guys, okay? So all you do is, here's the URL up here. I'll make sure I copy that when I post this video as well. So just type that in, go to select software for students, and what you want is you want the TI SmartView CE emulator. Okay, you're just going to click that, use your Stargate email, and hit submit, and it'll take you to the screen to let you download it either for Mac, Windows, and all of that. If you have questions about it, let me know, but it's going to help a ton when you're doing your calculations this year. And then again, for my stats students, this is where you'll be able to use things like normal CDF and all that we've been using so far this year. So again, come talk to me during office hours or send me an email if you have a question or if you're having a hard time getting this free resource.